It beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note.
So I'm playing Grand Theft Auto and I'm getting chased by coppers, and I'm going to see how long I can last for until the coppers start coming to get me. There's freaking helicopters and shit. Fucking cars in the fucking way. I'm actually sort of shitting it because I'm gonna fucking not concentrate on the fucking road. I'm gonna fuck up somewhere. But the coppers aren't on me. I'll see how long I can last. Fucking hit the cop car. Hit the cop car. Oh fuck. Reverse. Quickly reverse. Reverse. The car's fucked. Quick. Run. Drive. 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 The cop cars are on me. Fucking get out of the way. God damn. Come on, cop cars. Come on. Fuck. And the cop cars are me. Oh shit. Where are they? Gotta head on with them. Where are they? Oh shit, there's a cop car. They're shooting. They're shooting. God damn. Right. Roll, motherfucker. Shit, where am I going? Oh shit. Very bad at driving. Fuck me. Oh shit. Come on, cop cars, I'm done with ya. Come on, chase me. Get me. Come on. Me. Oh shit. Fuck. Running in the shit. Run. I wanna see how long I can go before I give up. No. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. Jump out of the fucking car. Run. I'm getting shot at. I'm fucking... Oh shit. I got arrested. The fucking guy got fucking hit. Oh, that was a bit of fun, wasn't it?